Hello.
Hello, now we on the water.
Yeah, now we're on the ocean.
We are on a very public, beautiful, very way to Koh Lipe now.
Yes.
Very public.
It's so bumpy. Yours not bumpy.
1.5 hours. Let's go.
Now we arrive. Koh Lipe.
Who the hell cares? Why does it matter the way we appear? It's not up to all of the fears that they share. It all becomes clear that the world uncertain.
We will go to our hotel now.
Yeah, we stay at the Chareena Hill Resort. Let's
Chareena
see
Hill.
how nice the view is.
Yes.
So comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right.
Hello. Today we gotta go for boat trips around Adang Islands. It's nearby, near to the Lipe Islands. We go snorkeling. We rent the boat for 3,100 for 4 people with a private boat, and we can have it all day, and lunch included, and also water. Pretty good price for the 4 people, right? Yeah, and we can have that for all day. Yeah, until you don't want to be here anymore. And now it's 9 a.m. We gotta go to the boat. Woohoo. I really like these shoes. Travel with me. With sick country, you can go in every situation. Like it.
You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I
Private beach.
can't believe that I
We are in Adang Islands with this private beach. No one here. It's nice.
so lucky I met you. It's not logical, the way I feel when you walk in the room. When you walk in the room, it's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you, to you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. Spent my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby, and all these broken roses led to you. Spent my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby, and all these broken roses led to you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you.
party.
Hey, we are ready to go rent some kayak.
Yes, we go kayaking today and snorkeling. Let's go.
Let's go.
$200 per hour?
No.
For start with 200, yeah. Next hour is 100. นี่เลยเฉยๆค่ะไม่ใส่
Now we on the water.
Yeah, now we're on the ocean again.
We have rented a ocean kayak.
Yeah, so
And
much nice.
We're ready for just chill around the island of Koh Lipe.
We will go to Krait islands over there, small islands. All right, let's go.
Okay, sea urchin.
Yeah, it's uni. It's really expensive in the Japanese restaurant.
Right. Totally fresh.
Yeah, totally fresh. Can't get it. Yeah, you have to like Japanese style.
Japanese style. Alright.
Alright.
Skate away. Okay. Cheers.
Now we arrived to Arang Island. So hard to get up here. We are so tired and the boat is so heavy, so we decided to take a boat back to the Lipe Islands instead. It's a good idea. Yeah. This is a Nami nami. Bon appetit! Madame Yoo-hoo.
Well, some nice days in Koh Lipe,
Yeah. Today we leave Koh Lipe soon, yeah.
and now we say goodbye to this awesome view
Oh.
from our hotel room.
Yeah.
That's
Bye.
great. Bye.
Ow.